Our world, 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 our world. Playing the same old games, bringing shame and embarrassment for their financial gain, justifying exploitation on innocent foes. JAH World, JAH World, JAH World, JAH World, JAH World. Living a dirty life, equal men and women suffering years of slavery, the monstrosity, the divide and conquer of history. Full of Marxist, Leninism, discrimination, and politicians keep on mashing up the beauty of JAH World, JAH World, JAH World. Fighting for power, can't see the right, them a war. Warring all over, never get far. Full of Marxism and Leninism, discrimination now, mashing up the beauty of JAH World. That's why I say JAH World, JAH World, JAH World, JAH World. Was young, sweet and cherry in an African land. Suddenly along came the invasion. Chris Colombo and the one Long John. Queen of England sat on her throne, waiting patiently for tobacco and gold. Sons and daughters bought and sold. You can kill the body, but you can't kill the soul. As long as the world keeps turning, can't you feel the fire burning, burning in your heart? As long as the world keeps turning, righteousness we keep on yearning.